I'm going to show something. You might not understand the purpose of it yet, but anyway, there's a toroid with two coils hot glued onto a coil that's outputting AC, okay, from an amplifier, just as a little test. Obviously, we're not going to get much voltage out of this because there's 20 turns on a real small toroid, and we're wasting the whole field. But anyway, this is what I'm going to show. If a single polarity is entering one side, this coil is not wrapped around a toroid. It's just sending one signal, one polarity, magnetic polarity, so it splits. Okay, it goes around. Now we have the scope hooked up on one of the output phases. Now, obviously, it's not a lot of power, so because look at it. Anyway, we have 34 millivolts. Okay, right here, 34 millivolts. Now we are going to short this side. Remember, it was 34. Peak to peak is 112. 113. Now we're gonna short this side, or take a load from this side. Now we're taking a load or shorting this side. The magnetics field that's going in is inducing this one and this one at the same time. But this one's magnetic field from the induction, its output magnetic field, is affecting the first one. Okay, and because they're arranged butt to butt in the correct manner, remember we had 34 millivolts on that first one. Now we have 58 and 213. So a huge increase in output on that first one. Now you may say, yeah, but the current probably went down. Let me dispel that myth. Let's unshort the first one. Unshorted. Put my multimeter on inline AC current, because this is alternating current. And let's connect it onto. So this is dead short. So we know open voltage increases. Okay, we're at 45.046. Now we're going to short. That's on 0.076. 0.049, 40.048, 0.076, 77. So the magnetic field of an output coil can be used to induce more current and voltage into another coil not coming from the source. Now, of course, this is going to load the source in this configuration. This seems to be the most optimal setup of this effect that I could get. I tried some other ways to get this effect, and there are other ways, but not as optimal as this.